Hello everyone. I'm taking two square metal tubes and carefully welding them together at a perfect 90-degree angle. I'm using a square to check the angle between the two metal bars. As you can see, the angle doesn't match. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform some seemingly basic metal pieces, raw tubes, bolts, and rebar, into an incredibly robust and versatile adjustable support fixture. I'm trying to screw the nuts onto the threaded rods. I have a small round metal rod, and I've fixed it with a threaded rod. Next, I'm taking a larger washer and placing it onto the threaded rod. I'll weld this washer securely to the rod to form the legs of the adjustable bracket, where the force will be applied. After welding, I clean off the slag to ensure a smooth, unobstructed surface finish. Here I have two reinforcing steel bars. I begin by joining them by welding one end of each reinforcing steel bar to prepare threaded rods. This step begins to form an adjustable linkage mechanism, providing strength and flexibility. I'm continuing the welding process, securing the remaining ends of the steel bar to a second nut on another threaded rod. This creates a sturdy, adjustable bar, essentially a heavy-duty tensioning device, forming the core of the mechanism. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. After all the welding is complete on this adjustable bar, it's crucial to clean off all the slag. I use a hammer and a wire brush to meticulously remove any residue, ensuring the mechanism operates smoothly and looks great. Moving on, I'm preparing two square metal blocks that will serve as our mounting points. I'm using a ruler and a marker to carefully find and mark the exact center point on each block. With the marks in place, I'm using a drill press to create perfectly centered holes in both metal blocks. Accurate drilling here ensures that all our components will fit together flawlessly later in the assembly process. I'm taking one of the pre-drilled square blocks and welding threaded rods to it. This forms a sturdy frame that will connect to the main column of the adjustable support. Again, cleaning off welding slag is crucial for a strong and clean joint. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm taking a bolt and welding it securely into the center hole of the metal block. This acts as a sturdy anchor for a part of our system. Once the weld is complete, I carefully clean off all the welding slag. To complete this part, I'm welding a small metal washer onto the head of the bolt. This washer will be the crucial connection point. Now, I repeat the process for the second adjustable rebar assembly. It's connected to the other U-shaped support on our main frame with another bolt and nut. I also weld another washer to its end, forming a complete pair of adjustable connecting bars. Now I'm attaching the finished adjustable support fixture onto two 90-degree angle metal bars, tightening it into place. See how perfectly it fits and how easily the threaded rods engage. With just a few turns of the handle, this press can generate a lot of force. This DIY project truly shows how simple materials, with a bit of ingenuity and welding, can be transformed into an indispensable tool for any workshop or construction site. After a few turns of the handle, this adjustable support fixture can generate the force to bring the two metal bars to a precise 90-degree angle. If you found this transformation as satisfying as I did, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other innovative tools you'd like to see me build next. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.